Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I partnered up once again with Sam's Beauty, and they sent me their Supermodel series Swiss lace silk based lace frontal wig. Okay, and let me just say that I'm in love. Okay, so excuse me while I just, I'm feeling myself just a little bit. Okay, let me stop. Done. Okay, so straight out of the package, this hair is super soft. Like, I've never felt any synthetic wig feel like this ever. And it says that it's a 100% human hair hybrid mix. So whatever this hybrid is, I don't know, but y'all did that. Okay. This particular lace frontal does come with a 6x4 parting space, and I did get it in the color T427 613. So if you guys are interested in this color and this particular wig, everything will be linked down in the description. So this hair can be flat ironed or curled anywhere from 350 degrees to 400 degrees. And the parting space is really nice, you guys. It goes about to here, so that's like ear to ear, so that gives you really good parting space, as well as on the side, but it doesn't go back as far. It's really just to this area. And this wig literally comes out of the package like ready to wear. You could do some extra plucking and all that, but it's not necessary. I did add some of my powder to my part, as well as use some eyeshadow around the actual lace where I cut, so it could blend in with my hair and the roots of this hair. And I did a little bit of plucking, like I said, which was not necessary at all. But I think this wig is absolutely perfect. I love it. It is super soft. I'm able to run my fingers like straight through it. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is just show you guys what I did straight out of the package. I did pluck the hair just a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like straight out of the package. Oh. This hair is $49.99 on the website. What else can I say? So yeah, this isn't gonna be a long introduction. I'm just gonna show you guys again what I did to kind of prep it a little bit before I put it on my head. And yeah, I would definitely recommend getting this hair. It is absolutely perfect. I mean, this color melting right here going on is spectacular. They blended this color to perfection. Perfection. The name of this wig is SUNNIVA. And it does not say the length of this wig, but it's pretty long. Let me stand up so you guys can kind of see. So it comes past my boob, almost the waist length. And let me just show you guys me running my fingers through it. Like, this is how soft and how natural looking this hair is. So yeah, what else can I say about this wig? Like, get into it, y'all. Like, this wig is like everything. So this is the wig straight out of the package. I have not done anything to it. Literally the only thing I've done is cut the tag off that was on it. So anyway, so this is the lace here, the Swiss lace, and it's again a lace frontal, so it goes ear to ear. It has 2 combs here, one on the side, one on this side, and then it has one in the very back, as well as adjustable straps. So this baby is gonna be super secure. It does have baby hairs in the front, little baby hairs, short. And if you guys can see that front here, it doesn't look natural at all. So I will be doing some plucking to try and make this look as natural as possible. But I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at what it looks like. So yeah, pretty well made, nice construction. And when I tell you this hair is baby soft, I am telling you, it's so soft. And it has not tangled since I've been running my fingers through it at all. I can't wait to put this on because it's going to be dope. I already know. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on right now. So this is with it on. And look at that parting space. Okay, so it's over here. Okay. So yeah, it looks like you can part it over here, but your parting space doesn't go as far back as the middle does. So I'm definitely gonna be shifting this wig because I'm a side part type of girl. I love a nice side part, but I mean, some days I might do a middle part too, so. All right now, Sam's Beauty. Come on, wig. Oh, yes, I love it.